Welcome to our Brio family, sir.
Venkatesh approached me from Brio and he explained me how the Brio works and what is the materials they use and what are all the systems they follow and everything, like start to finish, handovering the lift, and it was very nice and it was in time, much in time. And Venkatesh was not only Venkatesh and their team also were consistently in touch with our team, and they finished the project excellently. I came to know through a friend of mine from Hyderabad who is regularly using this Brio for all his apartments. And basically I'm also into real estate. So that's how I chose this as a trial basis. And it seems to be very good.
Started to till end, how do you feel, sir?
Extremely good. The team supported very well. The costing is very good.
Thank you, sir.
And it's on-time delivery.
Installation and all, how do you feel?
Very good. The entire team cooperated very well. Thanks to the entire team of Brio. They have done an excellent job. Basically, this elevator is a very affordable elevator as well as very luxurious elevator. The ambience of it, maybe the interiors of it, maybe the speed, the way it takes you up, it's very soft, and I felt it's the best one compared to other branded companies. I will 100% suggest, not only suggesting my other colleagues because I am into real estate also, I myself will start taking this brand for my future villa projects as well as apartment projects, and definitely I'll stick on with Brio.
Closing door.